Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on my Lucid adjustable bed base. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention too real quick, I actually found a pretty good deal on this bed base, and I'll put a link below in the description so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Okay, so after weeks and weeks of research, forum checking, all sorts of things, it was the one I settled on, and I guess if you kind of want the short version of this review, I'm extremely happy with it, and I really highly recommend it. Couple reasons why. First one, and the most obvious one, has to be price. This is a very, very affordable adjustable bed base. If you've done any kind of research on them, you'll see that these things are usually not cheap. You can find bed bases that easily cost 2 to 3 times as much as this, and to be quite honest with you, they're not any better. It is extremely solidly built. The motors that adjust everything are very solid. They never feel like they're getting bogged down or anything like that. The frame doesn't squeak. The welds are very solid. It just feels like a very expensive bed base. It's got 2 adjustments. It's got the head incline, which is basically like a torso incline, and then it's got your foot incline. I guess that's one feature it doesn't have that some of them do. Some of them have an actual neck adjustment that you can just bend the top part of the mattress over. But to me, I don't really care about that. Very rarely. You have a pillow behind you kind of anyway, so that kind of works as that. I don't really see the need for that personally. But the great thing you can do with this is you can buy 2 twin XLs, and basically you have a doubly independently adjustable California King. You get 2 twin XL adjustable bed bases and then 2 twin XL memory foam mattresses. And now you and your significant other can independently adjust the bed base to whatever you like it. Each have their own preference, and you got a ton of space with it too. And you can just buy, you have to buy 2 bed sets obviously with it, at least the sheets, but you can use a California King comforter and it'll fit perfectly, and it'll look just like a normal bed when it's down and reclined. But this thing is great if you have any kind of back pain or sleep apnea, or if you just have trouble sleeping while you're laying down. A little bit of recline can actually make a huge difference. It will work with spring mattresses, but it's kind of designed for memory foam mattresses, so you may consider picking one of those up. If you're going to get one, I'd highly recommend them anyway, just because I had, when I switched from spring to memory foam, I would never go back. I much prefer memory foam mattresses over the spring. But anyway, that's for a whole nother thing. But I'm extremely happy, highly recommend it. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.